Imagine you arrive in a new country. You need a car to travel around the city. You walk into a rental office. And they start asking questions in English. Do you have your driver's license? When will you drop off the car? Could you answer confidently? In the next 10 minutes, you will practice a real car rental conversation. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the process, answer questions clearly, and speak naturally. This lesson has 4 powerful parts.
Part 1. Listening practice. Part 2. Vocabulary. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Part 4. Shadowing practice.
Stay until the shadowing part. That's where your speaking improves the fastest. Take a deep breath. And let's begin.
Part 1. Listening practice.
First, just listen. Don't translate. Don't pause. Focus on understanding the situation. Here is the conversation.
Good morning. I would like to rent a car.
Good morning. Of course. What type of car are you looking for?
I need a small car for 3 days.
That's fine. May I see your driver's license, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like to collect the car today?
Yes, I would like to collect it now.
And when will you drop off the car?
I will drop it off on Friday morning.
Okay, the total cost is $90.
That sounds good.
Please sign here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The car is outside.
Now think. How many days did Nina rent the car? Yes, for 3 days. If this felt difficult, that's normal. Listen again. Later repetition improves understanding.
Part 2. Vocabulary.
Now let's learn useful travel vocabulary.
Driver's license, an official document that allows you to drive. Examples: you need a driver's license to rent a car. I showed my driver's license. Nina gave her driver's license to the agent.
Hey, driver's license.
And driver's licenses.
You have any driver's license?
Temporary driver's license.
Collect, to go and get something. Examples: I will collect the car today. She collected her keys from the desk. Nina collected the car in the morning.
Amazing collection.
Collection? What collection?
Collect.
Okay.
Collect.
Drop off, to return something to a place. Examples: I will drop off the car tomorrow. Please drop off the keys at the office. Nina will drop off the car on Friday.
Like flesh. I'm dropping off.
I'm dropping you off.
Dropping off or picking up.
Dropping off.
Dropped off.
Quick question. Do you prefer driving a car or using public transport? Write your answer in the comments. This helps you practice thinking in English.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice.
Now it's your turn to speak. Answer before I say the answer. Speak clearly. Ready?
Good morning. I would like to rent a car.
Good morning. Of course. What type of car are you looking for?
Did Nina say she wanted to rent a car? Yes, she did. She said she wanted to rent a car. Who did Nina talk to? The agent. She talked to the agent.
I need a small car for 3 days.
What type of car did Nina need? A small car. She needed a small car for 3 days. Did Nina need the car for 1 day? No, she didn't. She needed it for 3 days.
That's fine. May I see your driver's license, please?
Yes, here it is.
Did the agent ask for Nina's driver's license? Yes, he did. He asked to see her driver's license. Did Nina show her driver's license? Yes, she did. She showed her driver's license.
Thank you. Would you like to collect the car today?
Yes, I would like to collect it now.
When did Nina want to collect the car? Now. She wanted to collect it now.
And when will you drop off the car?
I will drop it off on Friday morning.
When will Nina drop off the car? On Friday morning. She will drop it off on Friday morning.
Okay, the total cost is $90.
That sounds good.
How much is the total cost? $90. The total cost is $90. Did Nina agree with the price? Yes, she did. She said it sounded good.
Please sign here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The car is outside.
What did the agent ask Nina to do? He asked her to sign. Where is the car? Outside. The car is outside. Did Nina thank the agent? Yes, she did. She thanked the agent.
Excellent work. Speaking out loud helps you become more fluent.
Part 4, Shadowing Practice.
Now let's improve your pronunciation. Shadowing means you repeat immediately after the speaker. Copy the rhythm, copy the stress, copy the speed. Let's begin.
Good morning. I would like to rent a car. I need a small car for 3 days. Yes, here it is. Yes, I would like to collect it now. I will drop it off on Friday morning. That sounds good. Thank you.
Good morning. Of course. What type of car are you looking for? That's fine. May I see your driver's license, please? Thank you. Would you like to collect the car today? And when will you drop off the car? Okay, the total cost is $90. Please sign here. You're welcome. The car is outside.
Very good. Repeat this shadowing section at least 3 times. That's how you start speaking naturally. You just completed a real-life travel English lesson. Now you know exactly how to rent a car in English confidently if you practiced every sentence. Comment, car booked. Watch this lesson again tomorrow to improve your fluency even more. And if you want more English speaking practice for real-life travel situations, subscribe and continue with the next lesson on this channel. Keep learning. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.